Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are discussing about could. Last video we discussed about may. Now we discuss about could. I use of could for past ability. I use of could for past ability. Subject plus could plus V1 means verb 1 plus object. Let's see the examples. First one, where I was younger, I could run a mile in under 6 minutes. Second one, they could speak three languages fluently by the time they were teenagers. Third one, he could play the piano beautifully. Next, negative sentences. Could plus not, couldn't. Let's see the examples. First one, I couldn't reach at station on time. Second one, she couldn't understand the concept. Third one, I couldn't crack that exam. Polite request. Request. Could you please? Polite request means could you please? Let's see the examples. First one, could you please pass the salt? Second one, could you please help me with this project when you have time? Third one, could you please provide me with more details on this matter? Fourth one, could you turn down the volume a bit? Next, could be. Could be means possibility to indicate something that might happen or might be true. Let's see the examples. I could be raining tomorrow. Second one, this could be the solution to our problems. Do you like this video, friends? Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for giving your precious time to this video. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.